Sangti langso Baptist Church along Indeng Thongke Presi Student Prayer Meet ke pamanpon. Lakain korapo nilep constituency ka parlo. Sangti langso Baptist Church along Student Prayer Movement pen patir pi ponsi Student Prayer Meet ke pamanpon. Student Prayer Movement achun wakai high synchro pen kapachini pon ke la bangsa sai laki ningkan suri netro ningkan pensi pangching ponlo. Ningkan insi long pong ni si peman pon bomlo. Bonta ang bomolom corona war pen ajok ningkan hini ke peman pon long lederlo. Piningan si putot la bangsa sai Indeng Thongke Presian ke chok deng pon tulo. La bangsa sai ke deng pon lake ke chali asumar atumati non hejong ke bachalang kun atumapan aning ke porong pon la pen kardom pia sai si dasmet pet en pon lo. Anparda ke chali asumar atum koson si arnam pen gyan la pen ke thei kiding atumapan kaching ki kajatan aman ki pi thek jima la pen ke chali na ke paprang thek jima apan si dasmet pet student pyramid peman pon lo. Bangsa mai thipi ken pon lake God wisdom knowledge and understanding for thipi en pon si thanbang akai manikson inkitaro bd pro pastor chokela pastorate pen kachali asumar atumapan kladak pen mesen gen alam than pachini pon chogyala pen philiptiso loti ki minius kar bianglong.
All of us have cell phones. We are in the world of cell phones. And we are in the need. Into cell phone of your parents, you over the sick, by the cell phone, so we are making use of the cell phone as the Holy Bible. But the cell phone cannot be taken as the Holy Bible. Little cell phone, see, the Bible can hear. Okay, so it is always good for us to have the Bible with us whenever we gather together in this awesome